All steroids are derived from a class of compounds called cholestanes. The best known cholestane is cholesterol. The most notable structural feature of cholesterol is that its nucleus is made of 4 rings, and it is called the cyclopentane perhydrophenanthrene nucleus, which contain 17 carbon atoms. And there is a very easy way to remember this. Cyclopentane perhydrophenanthrene. To form cholesterol, 10 more carbons are attached to the nucleus at different places for a total of 27 atoms. As a convention, the rings are named A, B, C, and D, and the carbons are numbered in the following sequence: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, covering the first 2 rings. Then we continue with 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. The next is a methyl group that attaches to carbon 13 and a second one attached to carbon 10. That gives us carbons 18 and 19 respectively. All other carbons are attached through carbon 17 and are named 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. Other features of cholesterol are the presence of a double bond between carbon 5 and 6 and an hydroxyl group attached to carbon 3. As mentioned previously, all other steroids are derived from cholestanes. To generate other classes of compounds, there are some very specific changes in a very specific sequence that has to occur to the molecule. The first general change is to convert the 27 carbon cholestane structure to a 21 carbon structure. All compounds with 21 carbon constitute a class of steroid called Pregnanes, and the conversion takes place by hydrolyzing the bonds between carbons 20 and 22. To this class of compounds belong the progestogens, glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids, of which progesterone, cortisol, and aldosterone respectively are some of the most common compounds. Pregnanes can then be converted into another class of steroids with 19 carbon, which are called androstanes, by the removal of carbons 20 and 21. All androgens belong to this category, and the best known representative is testosterone. The last transformation results from the removal of carbon 19, which is attached to carbon 10. To achieve this transformation, it is also required to aromatize ring A. This change leaves structures with 18 carbons, which are called estranes, and all estrogens, such as estrone, estradiol, and striol, belong to this group.